Did you know that the way you structure your income could make a huge difference in how much you pay in taxes each year? It's something that's top of mind for many American retirees, especially as we're facing economic uncertainty with inflation rising and markets shifting. President Trump has spoken about how the economy is on a delicate balance, and these shifts can impact your savings, especially when it comes to taxes. But what if there was a strategy that could help you lower your tax burden and protect your wealth at the same time? Let me introduce you to something that could change how you think about your retirement. Diversified income streams. Meet John, a retired teacher from Ohio. When John first retired, he thought his 401k and pension would be enough to carry him through the next couple of decades. But as inflation took hold and tax laws changed, he realized that his monthly income wasn't going as far as it used to. In fact, he was paying more in taxes than he expected, which left him feeling uneasy about the future. That's when John made a move. He decided to diversify his income streams, starting with rolling part of his 401k into a Gold IRA. This wasn't just any IRA, it was a Gold IRA, which acted as a hedge against the economic volatility that John had seen firsthand. It gave him more control over his savings and, more importantly, a way to create passive income that wasn't subject to the same tax structures as his regular income. Here's the thing. By using Gold IRAs and other diversified income streams, you can take advantage of tax breaks that help reduce your overall tax burden. The IRS actually rewards you for holding certain assets long-term, like precious metals, by offering tax-deferred growth. That means more of your money stays in your pocket and can work harder for you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't this complicated? It doesn't have to be. What John did was simple. He took advantage of the free educational consultation we offer here and learned how to use Gold IRAs to lower his taxes while securing his wealth for the long term. It wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It was about building a solid, diversified foundation that could withstand the test of time. So, what are the benefits of diversifying your income streams in retirement? For starters, it can help reduce your exposure to taxes. By spreading out your income sources, you avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. If one source of income takes a hit, like your traditional retirement accounts, you'll still have other streams to fall back on. And let's not forget about legacy planning. Imagine leaving a tax-efficient nest egg for your children or grandchildren. With diversified income streams, you can create a financial foundation that lasts beyond your lifetime, something that can pass on to future generations without the heavy tax burden. If you're feeling uncertain about your current tax situation or how to protect your savings, you're not alone. Many retirees feel the same way, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. You worked hard to build your retirement, and now it's time to make sure you're not paying more than you need to in taxes. If you're ready to take control of your retirement and protect your wealth for the next generation, take advantage of our free Gold IRA guide and no obligation consultation. There's no pressure, no sales gimmicks, just a quick educational call to see if a Gold IRA might be a good fit for you. This is your chance to stop worrying about rising taxes and economic instability. It's your future, your legacy, and it's time to protect it. Click the link below to get your free guide and schedule your consultation today. You've worked hard to build your retirement. Let's work together to keep it safe.